The Special Operations Program, criminal investigation, and real-time monitoring in the fight against organized crime is already a reality in the Civil Police of Rio Grande do Sul. Farias, teacher and airline pilot. Alexandre Klemps, Commissioner of Police and teacher. Miguel Noronha, teacher and police reporter. Alcemar, sergeant in the Brazilian Army and teacher. Soccer field used for leveling. Sector 1 of training in 3rd Communications Battalion of Brazilian Army. Infrastructure assembled by the Brazilian Army to support the drone course. Students trained in the 4 editions of the drone operator course. Practical activities developed and applied for all levels. The objective of the course is to train and give police officers the ability to operate a drone. Operational activities of civil police with drones. Real occurrences. Occurrence of Decap in Dake, on the coast of Rio Grande do Sul. Capture of a murderer with 4 victims. The RCI Dake operation in the combat against organized criminal group that uses a drone to send illegal items to prisons. The RCI Dake operation in the combat against organized criminal group that uses a drone to send illegal items to prisons. Materials seized in the operation. Cachorro sentado slum monitoring. Scout and controller with access blockage in the slum monitoring with drone. Drone monitoring, real-time monitoring with private transmission via web. Hostile area in Porto Alegre, Rio Grande do Sul. Suspicious car entering the alley. Drone monitoring in drug trafficking activity. Vehicle movement monitoring inside the alley. Suspect steps out of the vehicle with package and enter a shack.